In this video, I am explaining about predicate functional interface. In previous videos, I explained about function. If you did not watch that videos, watch it. So let me start with predicate. Before writing examples with predicate, let me show you the documentation about predicate. What is the abstract method present inside that predicate, and moreover that when to use predicate, we can get more clarity by seeing the documentation. Let me write predicate. So predicate is a Boolean valued function. It accepts one argument of type T. You can pass any type of argument, and it is having one abstract method called test. So this test method always returns Boolean value. So in this case, if your requirement is, if you want to write a function that is accepting of any argument, I mean any type of argument. So and the function want to return Boolean value, then predicate is the best fit. So let me write example about predicate. Predicate from java.util. Here I am trying to pass integer value. I am trying to build logic like if I can pass one number, that number is divisible by 3 or not. I am trying to build logic like that. Number divides 3. If that number is divisible by 3, this predicate returns true. If not, returns false. Let me try to call test method. I am trying to pass value like 21, store into a variable, make it some naming convention, mean a meaningful name. Or else, so predicate result. Let me try to run. So 21 is divisible by 3. That's why we are getting true. So let me try to change the value, run again. So now 29 is not divisible by 3. That's why we are getting false. So here I build simple logic, I mean division logic. So let me try to change some complex logic like if you want to pass some object here, I mean I can say list of objects, I mean DTOs, whatever it may be. Let me create an DTO of type I am taking name it as a product. So I am taking 3 parameters and name, product ID, product name, and finally price. These are the 3 parameters I am trying to use. So let me create object. In this case, I am using list of products. So let me create object for that product. I'm trying to pass laptop of price 40K. So let me try to copy. Let me duplicate it. So laptop and one is monitor and one is keyboard. And here I am trying to change monitor will be 16K and keyboard will be 800. So now my list got ready. We store it here variable. So I am trying to build a logic like, is there any product whose price is greater than 10k? So I am trying to build a logic. If that product is there, then I want to return true, otherwise false. So in this case I will change this logic. So here I am trying to pass list of product objects. So here I need to change product. I am passing with this product. I can say it is a list. First I am to get string from that list. Then I am trying to call any match. Any match is a function which is exists inside that string. So this any match is accepting predicate if we can observe. So wherever predicate is there, I can write that corresponding lambda expression logic. So let me write that logic. So I got the product. In that product, what I am trying to build. So product dot price is greater than 15k. So if any one product is there, I mean I am trying to find greater than 15k products are there in that list or not. If it is there, return me true. Otherwise, give me false. So it will be, I mean, duplicate. It is giving compilation error about duplicate variable name. Let me change it. So, oh my god, I mean compilation errors are done. So now what I am trying to do here, test I need to change. So now the test is expecting list of products. Let me move these lines to for declaration of list. So now these products I need to pass here. So now the code is looking good. Let me run. So it is there. I mean, now the products are there. I mean, greater than 50k, 15k products are there. So that's why it is returning true. In this case, not integers. I am write logic like I did make logic like real world example. So let me do changes like one more thing. Now this is one kind of logic. Let me check in that product list. I am checking laptop or a keyboard, it is exist or not. Product dot, I can say product name dot equals. So here I am passing variable like one of the product name, like I am trying to pass monitor. So let me run one more time. So still that product name is exist in that list. Let me do some negative scenario. So in this case I am mouse, I am trying to pass. So in this case, I am getting false. Why? Because in this product list, mouse product is not there. That's why I am getting false. I show you real world example also. So now I want to show you one more special case about predicate, that is BiPredicate. So before writing example with predicate BiPredicate, let me show you the documentation by. So by predicate is a special case of predicate. It is accepting two arguments. So same boolean valued function only. It accepts two arguments and it is having same abstract method called test. But the difference is this test abstract method accepting one argument, and by predicate test abstract method accepting two arguments. So let me write an example for BiPredicate also. BiPredicate. So now it is accepting two arguments. That's why I need to pass two elements. So now the parenthesis is mandatory. So here what I am trying to do will, in previous example I am making that element divisor 3 is constant. Here I will pass two arguments, then one number is divisible by another number. If it is divisible, then I will get true. Otherwise I will get false. In this case C1 divides by 2. So then first number is divisible by second number, then I'm getting true. Otherwise, getting false. Let me change here as it is an integer. Now I need to call the abstract method inside by predicate. That is test. Here I'm trying to call values like 3. Now here if you can observe, previously 3 is static. Now that 3 becomes dynamic. First value is this one, second value is this one. And try to assign to a variable, try to print it. And let me run one more time. So now 23 is divisible by 3. Let me do some changes. Now 25 is not divisible by 3. So we can observe the difference. Predicate and BiPredicate. BiPredicate is accepting two arguments. Predicate is accepting one argument. So, but both predicate and BiPredicate finally returns Boolean value only. So, if your function returns Boolean value, then predicate is the best for your business logic. So, this predicate is internally uses so many places inside streams. When I am explaining about streams, I will I will I will show you again. Before that, you need to understand how predicate works, what is the method present inside predicate, when to use predicate. Then you can understand streams very well. This is also have some special cases called int predicate, like we have function, right? In function also I explained int function, double function, like that. Predicate also we have special cases, int predicate, double predicate, long predicate. In this case, int predicate I use it, right? So in the instead of int predicate, you can predicate you can use int predicate. All those are the special cases about predicate. So exactly, if you can watch that function videos, you can understand that int predicate, long predicate, double predicate. Exactly. The difference is a return type. Function returns any type of object, but a predicate returns always Boolean. So this is the explanation about predicate. Thank you.